Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you're using Microsoft Excel on Windows, as you can see, things are looking pretty white and bright. And in regards to this, I may have some good news where Microsoft has recently announced that Excel for Windows will soon support dark mode, which obviously will darken your entire sheet, including cells. And this is an image from that announcement. And I think that looks a lot better, especially if you're working in a low light environment or obviously at night. Now, apparently this has been a highly requested feature on Microsoft's feedback portal. And how this all works basically is here at the top, you can enable dark mode by using the switch modes button on the view tab. Now, if we just head to another image, that'll just give us a better view of that. And just take note though that Microsoft says if you select the use system settings option, you will also need to make sure that your Windows theme is set to black, which I think goes without saying. And then to turn off dark mode, you just click view once again and switch modes, and that will take you back to the light mode. So I think that's a lot better. This is also after Microsoft Word has been changed into dark mode. So I know Google Drive has been changed into dark mode. A lot of the Microsoft and Google apps and services now across the board are starting to feature the option to enable dark mode, which I think is a nice move. And Excel is going to be the next. And this isn't available as yet to the stable version of Excel on Windows. The feature is rolling out to the beta channel users running version 2.5.02 or later. And because it's now in beta, I think there's a good chance this will eventually make its way into the stable version. And I don't see why not. And obviously, if I get a word of that, I'll try and keep you guys posted. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.